In this video, we will be talking about how to get Xray Donut SMP. So for that, I actually crafted right here Google Docs that you can use. So for the steps, you first need to download the appropriate version of the Xray Ultimate Pack from the CurseForge. So make sure to install Minecraft as well. And once you open it, go to Option, go over to Resource Packs, and open Pack Folder. You need to transfer it by dragging the downloaded Xray zip file into the Resource Pack folder. Once you're done with that, you can head over to Resource Pack menu, move the pack from Available to Selected, and then click Done. Now, here are some important considerations. So, Donut SMP may have anti-cheat plugins like Matrix or Anti-Cheat that can detect and ban players using Xray. So, for this, you can use night vision potions or commands for alternative methods, and you can use Xray on public servers often violates rule, risking impact. Do take note that this video is an educational video only, and it actually is made for educational purposes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.